Hi, my name's Graham Norris, and I want to share something with you that's not easy to talk about. You see, I came to the US in 2003, hungry to make something of myself, chase that American dream. And I got into real estate, got my license, and before long I was investing in multifamily properties. Had over 100 units under management. On the outside, it looked like success. People saw the properties, the deals, the activity, and thought it was on top of the world. But what they didn't see was the storm building underneath. I thought the way to win was to keep chasing knowledge, course after course, thousands of dollars on seminars, boot camps, and insider secrets. I kept cramming my head full, thinking if I just learned one more thing, I'd be bulletproof. But here's the painful truth. The collapse wasn't from lack of real estate knowledge, it was from my own pride. I refused to ask for help. I refused to admit where I was weak, and I refused to network with other investors who could have warned me. I refused to have an attorney by my side because I thought it was too expensive. And that refusal cost me everything. Negative cash flow, month after month. Every day felt like treading water with a weight around my neck. I told myself the next deal will fix it, but it didn't. One by one, the cracks spread, and then it happened, the collapse. I lost my business, I lost my confidence, and I lost years of my life, and I ended up in bankruptcy. The financial hit was devastating, but the real pain, the pain that still brings tears to my eyes, was knowing it could have been avoided, all of it, if I just swallowed my pride and asked for help. Let me ask you something. Are you carrying that same pride right now? Are you trying to do it all on your own? Are you chasing course after course, filling your head with more information, while secretly drowning in the area you're not willing to admit you need help in? Because if that's you, hear me, the crash comes fast. When it does, it doesn't just take your business, it takes a piece of you. But here's the good news. You don't have to go through what I went through. My rock bottom forced me to change. It forced me to stop pretending, to stop going it alone, and to create a system that would help other investors avoid the mistakes I made. And that's why I built the Profit Shield Growth System, a proven way for real estate investors to protect themselves, scale with confidence, and avoid the traps that nearly destroyed me. One of the key parts, an attorney in your back pocket, so you're never left exposed the way I was. Combine that with structure, support, and real accountability, and suddenly you're not building on sand anymore, you're building on rock. Now I'm on a mission to help real estate investors avoid the pain I went through. A mission to stop good people from losing everything they worked for because they were too proud, too isolated, or too unprotected. This isn't just business for me, it's personal. So if you've been struggling, if you've been secretly carrying that weight, if you've been putting off the help you know you need, I'm here to tell you, don't wait until the collapse comes. I went through the fire, so you don't have to. Now let's build your future the right way, together. Because your future isn't just secure, it's wide open.